Please be ready for a dictation of part 2 of transcription number 129, beginning from verse 507 onwards. 5 seconds. Start. All this costs a lot of money. The annual expenditure is 1 crore of rupees, and for 5 years, if we proceed on these very lines, it will be rupees 5 crores. This bill has become necessary because we wanted to have some rules and regulations, and while these trainees were living in a camp life, they had to be subject to military discipline, and therefore we wanted to put it on a regular basis. The bill as it stands commits government and commits the parliament to no limitations. I wish to emphasize this because if the movement spreads and if there is a general desire in the country throughout the community for military training, if there is such a general desire for expansion, and if Parliament approves of it, then within this very bill, it will be possible to extend the number from 1 lakh a year to 2 lakhs a year. It will all be a question of money. It will be a question of the provisions to be made for training purposes. I wish also to emphasize here that we are giving 1 month's training. The House will be aware that this movement for giving military training has had its origin during the last 3 or 4 years on some scale. The House knows that apart from this, Lok Sahayak Sena during the last 4 or 5 years, effort is being made to give military training to various classes of our people. For instance, we had in our schools and colleges the NCC movement. The NCC course imparts military training, and from among them, boys are sent up to the military academy at Khadagwasla near Pune. Similarly, if we opened the auxiliary cadet course, and for the purpose of providing military training to the people living in urban areas and employed in industrial concerns, mills and factories, we have the territorial army. And in order to provide better and further means and greater facilities, we started the auxiliary cadet course in 1953, but it was on a limited scale. The period of camp life was about a week in the beginning. I think it was extended to 10 days, and the allowance paid was ₹5. The response to it was great. people were very ready to come and take advantage of it. Then this Lok Sahayak Sena was started and a longer period of training was provided. I am mentioning all this because if experience proves that the period is too short, that it should be a bit longer, then there will be nothing to prevent the government, with the approval of Parliament, from extending the period from 1 month to 2 months, so as to make the military training effective. Honorable members have seen that the bill is what you call generally of a providing character. It is a piece of delegated legislation. It says that the prescribed authority shall do this. Stop.